everybody, I'm here with my mom, Catherine Castiglione. Today she's going to be sharing with us one of her favorite hobbies, baking a cake. So what kind of cake are we going to be making today?
We're going to make a salted caramel cake.
Okay, and is this more for advanced people or can beginners do this as well?
Well, I'm a beginner. I did go to school though. I went to YouTube University, Pinterest, and Instagram.
And what are some baking supplies that beginners should invest in, like ones that you absolutely need?
You can do all this by hand, but not by hand, but with a fork or something. But you can get a mixer. Now you don't have to get the top of the line commercial grade.
We're just extra around here.
But you can get a regular mixer. You need baking pans, measuring spoons.
What is this right here?
Oh, I like to weigh my ingredients.
Okay.
So I got a little, yep, you can get everything on Amazon.
Okay, and then what are some of like the actual ingredients that we'll be using?
Okay, so we're using eggs, sugar, butter, and flour, of course.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get into it.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sift the flour. So I already measured it, and we're going to put it in there.
How much?
This is 500 grams. Shake it. And this is just getting any lumps that it might have. We're going to get 500 grams of butter, and we're going to put it in the mixer. And then we're just going to stir it. Okay, we're going to add the sugar.
How much sugar?
This is 500 grams of sugar.
So like 500 grams of everything, basically.
Basically.
How do you know when it's ready?
It'll be creamy looking. Now we're going to add the eggs. 9 eggs, so we're going to add 3 in at a time. Okay, so there's 3 eggs. Another 3. So now we're going to add the flour mixture. Just a little bit at a time. So I weighed my cake batter, and now I'm going to divide it by these 3 pans. We're going to put these cake strips on, and these cake strips you soak them, and then you put the pan in, and it helps the cake stay flat. Now these are ready for the oven. So now we're going to make the frosting. So let's start with putting the butter into the bowl. And it's at room temperature too. We're just going to cream the butter until it gets white. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to start adding the sugar. Okay, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the caramel extract. Okay, so now our cakes are ready, and I like to put my cakes in the freezer to capture all the moisture.
That's kind of scary.
Hopefully it comes out. And voila! So we're just gonna wrap them, and this just helps keep trapping all that moisture. Pop it right in there.
I did it really good, I think.
See,
It was like
oh,
all
gentle,
good.
careful because it's hot, yeah. You did it! Oh, wrap it. Taking our cakes out of the freezer. They're nice and cool. We'll put a little butter, so that way our cake stays in place. Start with that first layer. And we just want to flop that down. Okay, now we're going to put some icing. We're going to make a little dome because we're going to put some caramel in the center. Squeeze. Boom. It's like a little wall. You're just going to spread it. And we're just going to go like this. Lop it down. You see how it's uneven? Now you want to
Scoot it over.
Yep, scoot over. Okay, so now we're going to give the cake a crumb coat, which basically is that you want to trap any crumbs on the cake. So it's just going to be a very thin layer. And we just take some butter. And we just take this, kind of hold it like this. At least this is what I see on YouTube. And then you just hold it against the cake and you just scraping. Okay, so the icing, we colored it pretty. I'm gonna take this, put it on the cake, and just give it a scrape. Okay, so we're gonna go for the naked look. What it is that we're gonna scrape off a lot of the icing so you can see the cake color inside. So here we go. We're just gonna do it slowly. See how you're starting to see it? Okay, so now we're gonna take these off because it's cold and we're gonna use a knife. So we're just gonna come and just gently just cut it off. So now we're going to we cut a cake board and we're gonna put it the smooth side down because this is what touches the cake. This part won't touch the cake and we're gonna put frosting on it and then you can just lift it right up. So we're just gonna cover this board. We're gonna smooth this out because we're gonna add the flowers right in there. And then we just plop them on there. This is it. This is the final product. And this was our first time doing this. I think we did pretty good. We used 1 dozen roses and one, what do you call that?
We could have used more of the orange roses, but we ran out.
But
But it
so
still looks really pretty.
next time we buy 2 dozen.
Do you plan on doing anything with this hobby after quarantine?
I think I might do just for family special occasions, yes. This is fun.
Maybe you can even sell cakes after this too. Well, thank you for sharing with us.
You're welcome. It
Bye.
was fun. Bye.